Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Cloud Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Cloud Payroll Login. There, scroll down a little bit, there you can see Cloud Payroll. Or directly go to www.cloudpayroll.com.au. It will then take you to the official website of Cloud Payroll. From the top right corner, you can see a login option. Click to login, then you will be redirected to a login page. Once the page has been loaded up completely, enter your username, then your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Cloud Payroll account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to reset my password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.